Okay, Ojibwe. As I said in the Talk Graphics post, it's really not a very good, in fact it's actually rubbish logo to work on at this side. It's only 82 by 82 pixels. You can't really clarify it at all. Anyway, I'd start off just holding down Control with the circle tool, drag out a circle like that. I don't want it filled, I'll just give it a red line stroke colour. It's too thick to see anything, I'll give that 1.25. And actually that came out quite well. It's pretty much where I want it to be. So the next thing to do is to fill in the centre ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the centre one here. So I'll just hold it. I'm just clicking around the edge of the circle, holding down Control, move across, let go when it gets to the other side. Again, this is too thick to work with. 0.25, and I'll come somewhere around the centre and just push that up like that. Could possibly pull these in a bit further, a more rounded top side, and then with this corner here selected, I can either go and join that up over there or just hit Enter, and that joins it up. Again, I don't want a fill colour, I'll just leave that black stroke colour. So that's that. Right, then I'm going to hold down Control and hit the K, and that makes a duplicate exactly on top of itself. Control K to clone, and I'll put that down like that, and then holding down the Shift key, pulling down on the arrow, that will ease it down all the way. Okay. Just move this around a bit. That's centered up. It needs to be down a bit more. And holding the Shift just key, size it up very slightly. Again, because we're using such a small area, it becomes very difficult to know what to do, where to actually control the sizing of these things. And I'll Control K to clone that shape again, and I'll move it down the bottom here. That is, holding down Shift, I'll just ease that into about there. Right, I've got what I want there now, so what I'll go is go to the blend tool. I'll pick up this one here, and I'll blend from the top of that to the top of that. 5 is too many steps, I think we only need 4, so put that down to 4, and again from here I'll bend that up like that, and again that's still using 4 steps. Right, that's fine. Then I go Arrange, Convert to Editable Shapes. That stops it being a blend. If you look down the bottom left hand corner, it says one blend. As soon as I do that, it stops being a blend and becomes a group. And this time I'll go Arrange, Ungroup. Ungroup. Okay, so this one's about right. Again, holding down the Shift key and resize that till it reaches the outer circle. Similar here. Resize till it reaches the outer circle. Really is bad working down this small scale here. Resize that till it comes. I'll just this one. resize. Move this down just a touch, so I'll hold down the Alt key and hit it with the arrow key, and that just moves it a very little bit at a time. Again, holding down the Shift, reduce the size down. Again, holding down the Shift, reduce that size. Again, holding down the Shift, reduce that size. Oops. Holding down the Alt key and with the up arrow key, move that one up to there. And this one actually needs to go up a bit more, so shift that, holding down the Shift key, hold down the Shift key. I don't think we need that fella, we can delete him. Move him down, hold down the Shift key, come on. So much easier if you use a big scale. Using this small scale makes it very difficult. I'll move that up a bit. Move this up just a smidgen. That can go up a touch more. Come down a smidgen. Just come down another smidgen. Got smidgens around there. So that's what I've got. I no longer need that circle. But what you can do is just mark A's or drag select over those, and you get down here 10 shapes. You can fill that with colour if you want, and take away the line colour. Basically that's the way I got your shape that you wanted. But it's so much easier if you have original. I'll go arrange, combine shapes, add shapes, which is Control+1 there. And I can just get a decent size. And if you had a logo that size, it'd be far easier to do. That's why previously I thought you wanted it with, if I look back where previous to, you can see it's almost like it's got feathering on it, and that's what I was doing. So I was going up to here and adding feathering. Where's the feathering? Yep. Just add feathering like that to try and make it look more like it did on your original thing. But you didn't want that, you wanted a clean one. So that's that. Anyway, that's why I'll go about it. This is Egg. All the best. Bye.